Are you ready to stop chasing leads? I mean, really ready. Imagine waking up every morning to a list of qualified buyers, qualified sellers, people who are actually looking for an agent just like you. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This isn't some far-off fantasy. It's the reality for agents who have mastered one simple tool. That tool is Facebook ads. The platform you scroll through every day is secretly a goldmine. It's packed with your next clients. You just need the right map to find them. And guess what? I'm about to give you that map. Let's get one thing straight. Posting a picture of your new listing on your personal page isn't a strategy. That's just shouting into the void and hoping someone hears you. Hope is not a business plan. First things first, let's get you into the cockpit. This is your command center. It's called the Facebook Ads Manager. Don't let the name intimidate you. Think of it as the dashboard of a high-performance car. It might look complicated at first, but once you know where the key buttons are, you'll be driving it like a pro. To get there, you'll need a Facebook business page for your real estate brand. If you don't have one, stop right now and create it. Your professional brand needs a professional home. From your business page, you can find the Ads Manager. This is where the magic happens. Once you're inside the Ads Manager, you'll see a big green button that says Plus Create. Click it. Facebook will then ask you to choose a campaign objective. This is a critical step. You're telling Facebook exactly what you want to achieve. For real estate agents, the most powerful objective is almost always leads. This is where we separate the amateurs from the pros. Your ad is useless if it's shown to the wrong people. You could have the most beautiful ad in the world, but if you're showing a luxury downtown condo to someone looking for a suburban 4-bedroom house, you're just wasting money. Facebook's targeting capabilities are incredibly powerful, almost scary. We're going to use that power to our advantage. In the ad set level of your campaign, you'll find the audience section. This is where you build a profile of your perfect client. Let's start with the basics. Location, age, gender for location. Don't just put your city. Get specific. You can target people living in a specific zip code. Drop a pin on a map and target a radius around it. Are you trying to find buyers for a new community? Target a 15-mile radius around it. Trying to find sellers in a hot neighborhood? So, how much should I spend? This is the million-dollar question. The answer is simpler than you think. You don't need a Hollywood-sized budget. You need a smart budget and a clear strategy. In the ad set, under the Budget and Schedule section, Facebook gives you two options. Daily budget, lifetime budget. For consistent lead flow, start with a daily budget. It gives more control and predictability. Start with an amount you're comfortable with. $10 a day, $20 a day, $50 a day. Think of ad spend as an investment. Every dollar should work to bring back more dollars. Let's do some simple math. $20 a day equals $600 a month. That $600 could generate one transaction that nets a $10,000 commission. Was it worth it? Absolutely. Now we get to the fun part, creating the ad itself. This is your digital billboard. It needs to grab attention in a crowded, fast-moving newsfeed. People scroll through hundreds of feet of content every single day. Your ad needs to be a scroll stopper. It has to be visually arresting enough to make someone stop, look, and engage. For real estate, high-quality visuals are non-negotiable. Forget blurry cell phone pictures. Use professional photography. Or even better, use video. A well-shot 15 to 30-second video tour of a property will outperform a static image almost every time. Your ad copy, the text that goes with your visual, is equally important. You need a powerful hook in the first sentence. Don't start with just listed. That's boring. Start with what the buyer or seller cares about. Every ad must have a clear and compelling call to action. You've launched your campaign. The ads are running. The leads are starting to come in. But your job isn't done. In fact, it's just beginning. Running ads without tracking results is like driving with your eyes closed. You need to know what's working so you can do more of it, and what's not working so you can stop wasting money. The Facebook Ads Manager is your data hub. The most important metric to watch for a lead generation campaign is your cost per result, or cost per lead. This tells you exactly how much you're paying for each new contact. But don't stop there. A lead is just a name and an email. The ultimate goal is a closed deal. This is where you need to connect your online efforts to your offline results. Keep a simple spreadsheet and use your CRM to track every lead that comes from Facebook. Tracking this entire funnel is the only way to know the true return on your ad spend, your ROS.